Hey everyone, and welcome to CounterBuzz. We're here today to talk about the new QL. This is a tiny little fixture. Where would I use something this small?
It is tiny. So I guess it's important to talk about the background of the fixture. So we do have an existing fixture that we call the NL. The NL is a classic surface mounted downlight. It's designed to fit on a classic 4x4 post. So that concept did really well for us until you needed something smaller. And so we decided to slim the fixture down to something that would fit on a 2x2 post. Okay? And so because it's so small, fits on that 2x2 post, the fixture really only fits the smallest LED board that we have, that we call a 1 LED board. Now, all fixtures on the designer series that fit just a 1 LED all start with a Q. Right? So we have the QZ, QB, QT, and now we have to add to that the QL.
So you said designer series.
Yep.
This is a designer series lamp, not a standard series.
Absolutely. So this is classic designer series. It does use integrated LEDs. It has a color temperature lens built inside. It does have Luxor technology also built in for zoning and dimming, as well as it has the extended warranty as all designer fixtures do.
Okay, so you kind of mentioned that it's for those smaller posts, but
Yep.
give me some unique tips on installation of something like this.
You know, one of my biggest pet peeves on installing a surface mounted fixture, especially when it's designed to go a little bit higher or closer to some type of top surface, you never quite know how far to install it up. Okay? Because, so picture a classic example. I'm installing this thing on a 2x2, right? I want to push this thing all the way up to where I need to be. But then I have this mounting kit that needs to be used somewhere. And so then I need to kind of offset it a little bit, and it becomes a little bit tricky in terms of where to get it just right.
Okay.
So we designed this new mounting bracket here, okay? And this bracket allows you to go straight up as far as you want to go, okay? And you never have to back it off just a little bit. You can always just shove it up as high as you need to, okay? The benefit of that is when I put this thing together, there's a little set screw down here at the bottom here. It allows you to tighten it in. And what that does do is it shows the very tip top of this stainless steel piece. Okay? If you don't want that, all you have to do is break it off, because we have breakaway tabs built inside. And I can just pop them off just like that.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So again, this is designed to be low-level illumination. Let's say if I have that 2x2 happen to be on some type of railing. Okay. It's also designed to be installed at higher elevations over some type of trellis, pavilion, or other structure.
Okay, so we kind of already talked about where you would put this in and some of the shortcomings of what this product is actually going to solve.
Yeah.
Do you want to give us a little bit more about where you might use this, what types of applications, commercial, residential?
Yeah, absolutely. So I love the question commercial versus residential, because really it could be used in both. This puts really just the right amount of light just where you need to. You're never going to go too far or too intense with a fixture like this. Okay. Also, other design techniques when you have surface mounted downlights. Is you want to really focus on the structures. You're often illuminating a wall necessarily, and because of that, you want the optics to look good. You want the light to look good. You don't want harsh lines. You don't want a significant contrast as the light goes down. You want to have a beautiful scallop and a soft illumination, and that's exactly what this thing does.
Well, there you have it. Small fixture, big impact.
You bet.
Thanks for stopping by, Ryan.
Thanks, Greg.
Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll see you on the next episode of CounterBuzz.